Welcome everybody back to the Wesley's Yes YouTube channel. We are here for another video, a Monster Jam diecast unboxing, and after a long time, I have finally got my hands on the JCB Digatron 1/64 scale. Legacy Trucks, JCB Digatron, very nice looking. We're going to unbox it now. Finally, got the 1/64 scale version. It's pretty cool. Sponsor truck, probably the best sponsor truck that they've had that's been new since VP Racing Fuel's Mad Scientist, which is my profile picture. That's probably my top 3 favorite trucks of all time. And this is pretty cool. I mean, it's probably of Monster Jam's newer identities, probably its best. And one of its best sponsor trucks it's ever had. Very nice, somewhat orangey yellow paint. JCB logo on the front, on the cab over here as well. And Digatron there, a ladder here. The bucket here, which I don't think it moves. No, not really. So, pretty cool truck. Got the nice BKT printing. With a gray chassis. Black roll cage, looking pretty nice. So yeah, thank you all for watching here for the Wesley's Yes YouTube channel. Have a good day and goodbye.